Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and today I would like to show you all the lock screen settings that you can use here. So at first open the settings and now just click on Face ID and passcode. You have to provide your passcode if you have one, and if you don't, you will be already in this panel. So here you can set your Face ID and use it for iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet and Apple Pay, or password autofill. Just mark it and then set your Face ID. Smoothly by marking you can decide what it is applied for. Here you can smoothly apply Face ID if you want to. Then you can activate some attention features. So the first one is require attention for Face ID. Just mark it here to turn it on, then you can switch it off the same way. Also attention aware features, so your iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts once it is active, and obviously you can switch it off the same way. Then you can turn on or off passcode. You can see off here because I do have it active, but once you click here you can smoothly switch it off by entering your Apple ID password. You can also change your passcode if you want to. A bit lower you have way more details. So for example, here you can set when you want your passcode to be required. Tap here and it can be required immediately, after 1, 5, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even 4 hours. Then you've got voice dialing set up, so music voice control is always enabled with your Face ID active, or you can switch it off if you want it. And then you can set some access once your device is locked. So here you've got all the apps. You can smoothly switch it off if you want to, and personalize it however you like. You can leave it this way. Finally, you can erase data if you want to. So here, if you'll tap on it and enable it, all data from your iPhone will be erased once the wrong passcode is entered 10 times. So this is it. These are all Face ID and passcode settings that you can reach here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.